Hello students, today we are learning about line graph. Line graph is used to find out data changes over time. In here we have the horizontal and vertical. Horizontal means this one and vertical means this one. So in here is temperature at a school. So the time from 7 o'clock until 12, and then the temperature changes. So this to show changes over time, the best graph is line graph. Take a look at here. So the horizontal axis is for the time and the vertical axis is for the temperature. At 7 o'clock it is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it rises at 8, and then it rises, continue to rise up until 12 p.m. And then to the next page, they explain to you what is the temperature at 11. When they ask you 11 a.m., then you look at the graph in here. 11 is in here, and you find the intersection between the horizontal and the vertical. It shows 88. So these are the steps. First, you look at the horizontal axis, and then move up until you meet a point on the graph. And then from the point on the graph, you move left until you find the vertical axis, and then the intersection shows 88 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the answer. And then let's do the guided practice. You have to complete it using the data in the line graph. This one is about distance from Ryan's home. The questions that follows in here, before we answer the question, we take a look at the horizontal axis that shows the time in minutes, and then the vertical axis shows distance from Ryan's home in meter. How far is Ryan's from his home after 3 minutes? So take a look at, this is the minute 3. Go up and then take a look at the vertical axis. It shows between 1000 to 1500. In the middle is 1250. After how many minutes on the bus? Ryan is 2500 meter. So take a look at 2500 meter over here, and then look at the minute, and then you get the answer is 6. For number 3, the bus stopped at a bus stop between the blank and the blank minute. So the bus stopped. How do we know when the bus stops? We know when the bus stops when it is no movement at all, no distance at all. That means the bus is stopping. So that is from minute 4 to minute 5. Next, number 4. What was the increase in distance from Ryan's home from the first to the third minute? So from the first minute to the third minute, they ask the increased distance, right? So minute 1 to minute 3, minute 1 starts with 250. And how do we know that? Because it's between 0 to 500. In the middle is 250. So minute 1 is 250, and minute 3 is between 1000 to 1500, which means 1250. So 1250 minus 250. That is the increase in distance. So you need to subtract this minute 3 and the distance of minute 1. Next, number 5. After how many minutes of its journey did the bus turn around and travel in the direction of Ryan's home? So here it is. After how many minutes? So you can see after how many minutes in here. During which 1 minute intervals was the bus moving the fastest? So this is the fastest, right? That is from this minute to this minute. You can try the next page. Cost of different lengths of wire by yourself, but if you have any question, you can come and ask me tomorrow.